I can't believe how it is snowing. I can't believe it. These flakes are huge. So it's a snowstorm. We're supposed to get up to 20 inches of snow. I turned off the lights here so you could really see the flakes, but the other light's on so it shows up really good. I can't believe it. I have never seen them. Well, I have, like maybe years ago, but it's wow. This is quite a snowstorm. I know it's bad like in other parts of the Carolinas and Virginia, all state of an emergency. I think Georgia too. They have the ice storm, we have the snow. But I'd rather deal with the snow than the ice. It is pretty, but kind of done with winter. Even though it's only January 17th, 2022, the first major snowstorm of the Northeast. It's like a nor'easter, so it's not even lake effect. But these flakes are huge. So I will keep you guys updated, and when it clears up, I'll go outside and take some pictures and videos in the daytime. They look like, they're so big, they look like little snowballs. Wow. Look at the snow we're getting. They look like big snowballs. It's picturesque though. Really is picturesque.